Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how long it will take to double your investment money and how many doubles you'll need in how many years that your money can make you a millionaire. On the other hand, I will also reveal to you how many years it takes to halve your uninvested money at certain inflation rate. But first, I have a test for you. You can type the answer in the comment section. You may pause the video if you need to. So the test is, if your investment grows at 10% per year, how many years does it take to double your money? Let's assume you invested $10,000. In how many years it will become $20,000? So that's the test. Alright, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel because my life depends on it. And please hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when my new video comes out. Thank you, and let's dive right in. Okay, did you all get the answer? If not, you still have time to do so because I will review the answer a little later in the video. Everyone wants to know how long it will take to double their investment money and if there is any chance to become a millionaire in their lifespan. It does not mean that you really need to have $500,000 or more in the investment account to become a millionaire. It is a simple math. If you master the math formula, then you will have a much clearer picture of your financial future. The truth is, you don't need to inherit $1 million or to make $1 million to become a millionaire. In fact, your money, your invested money, can work for you to make you a millionaire. Many of you may already heard the term Rule of 72. But how do you use this magic formula? For those of you never have heard of Rule of 72, here is the equation. By dividing 72 by the annual rate of return, investors obtain a rough estimate of how many years it will take for the initial investment to double itself. For easy illustration purpose, let's assume you already have $200,000 total in investment accounts, and the investment's total growth, including the price growth, compounded interest earnings plus reinvested dividends, is at 15% per year. How long it takes to double your money? So 72 divided by 15 equals 4.8 years. Now, here's the exciting part. At a 15% growth rate, in 4.8 years, your money will grow to $400,000 without you add in any penny and without you to physically work for the money. Still, at a 15% growth rate, in another 4.8 years, your money will grow to $800,000. Now you may ask, how many more years to a million? Let's do the math. 4.8 years divided by X years equals 1.6 million divided by 1 million. X equals 3 years. So in this case, you will take about 12.6 years to grow from $200,000 to $1 million. So in this case, if you are at 30 years old today, then when you reach to 42 and a half, you will be a millionaire. Are you excited to see this? You worked hard to get that $200,000. Then your money can work even harder for you to make you a millionaire. Okay, what if your investment is growing at a slower rate, let's say at 10% per year? How long it will take you to become a millionaire? Let's do the math again. 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years. Hey, by the way, this is the correct answer to my test question. How long it takes you to double your money from $10,000 to $20,000? Did you get that right? In this case, at 10% growth rate, after 7.2 years, your money will be $400,000. Still at a 10% growth rate, after another 7.2 years, your money will be $800,000. Then, approximately after another 4.5 more years, to $1 million. So, at a 10% growth rate, it will take a total of 18.9 years for your $200,000 to grow to $1 million at average 10% growth rate. If you are 30 years old today, then when you reach to 48 and 11 months, you will be a millionaire. Another very interesting and super important fact I want you to know is the rule of 72 also can predict how long it can take for your money to halve if you only put the money in a bank, under the mattress, or in a safe without investing. Here's the formula. Years equals 72 divided by inflation rate. Let's assume the inflation rate is at 4%. It will only take 18 years to halve your hard-earned cash. Conclusion: if you want to become a millionaire, if you are not born with a silver spoon in your mouth, and if you don't want to work until you die, then start investing, start early, and stay with the market. Let the money work for you. If you like today's video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give a thumbs up, and comment. That will help my channel greatly. And stay tuned for my next video.